Hi everyone! Welcome back to our Tutu Tots TV channel. Today, we're building and decorating a Barbie wooden dream house using this amazing kit. It's super easy, fun, and perfect for creative play. Get started! Here's what's in the kit and what you'll need. A wooden cutout sheet with dream house pieces, a Barbie-themed sticker sheet, You can also add your own furniture or mini accessories to complete the look. And there it is, your very own Barbie wooden dream house. It's colorful, creative, and ready for hours of play. Doesn't it look amazing? For building with us today. If you love this activity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us. See you next time.